Hello everyone. We would like to introducing the topic of company survey, comprising three companies, including Ultimate Software, Public Company Limited or PTT, and Samsung Electronics. The content will be as follows.
Ultimate Software about company. Ultimate Software Group designs, develops, and markets software solutions. The company provides business with cloud-based functionality to manage the employment life cycle. Ultimate Software Group serves customers globally. Strategic direction include computer software, privately held. Company strategy. My people first priority is providing customers with an engaging human resources, payroll, and talent management solution that ensure their success. Mission. Ultimate is on a mission to make it effortless for business like yours to put their people first. We creating innovative products and service along the way that break down those barriers between people and the work they do. After all, software should work for people, not the other way around. Vision. Workplace free of inequity across the employee experience for all people. Product have to human resources, payroll, recruiting, onboarding, talent management, time management, global human capital management technology, delivery of our industry-leading customer service, and prevalence of our employee-centric culture are all centered on one thing: putting people first. Service. The first minute service increases quality and accuracy by leveraging Ultimate's experience and best practices. Payment service. Brands quarter to day and year to day deposits to liabilities to ensure payments are accurate. Print service. Ultimate provides service to print and sell year and take form for you employee, and we can then send this form either to you. Check printing. Anti-post check printing is the perfect solution to meet your needs.
Accessibility plan and policy. People. We are committed to treating people with disability in a way that allows them to maintain their dignity and independence. Right thing. We are committed to always doing the right thing. We believe in integration, and we are committed to meeting the needs of people with disability in a timely manner. Accessibility will do so by removing and preventing barriers to accessibility and by meeting our accessibility requirement under Ontario's accessibility laws. Annual revenue. Ultimate software revenue was $1.14 billion in fiscal year 2018, which is a 21.2% year-over-year increase from the previous period. Office location for Ultimate Software. There are 9 branches as follows: Alpharetta, Georgia; Atlanta, Georgia; Maryland Heights Mall, New York, Western Florida; San Francisco, California, Santa Ana, California, Scottsdale, Arizona, Toronto, Canada.
Meet our team. Aaron In served as Chief Executive Officer and Chairman of Ultimate Software and Kronos Incorporated. Ultimate and Kronos merged in April 2020 to create one of the world's most innovative human capital management and workforce management company. Chris Todd served as President of Ultimate Software and Kronos Incorporated. Since joining Kronos in 2007, Chris has played an integral role in accelerating the company's software as a service strategy, while driving a focus on positive customer outcomes. David Amanda served as Chief People Officer for Ultimate Software and Kronos Incorporated. In his role, David oversees global HR and drives HCM strategy, including talent acquisition and development, compensation and benefits, employees engagement, and components of facilities, and physical security function. Jonathan Benhamou is Ultimate Software Sales Officer for international markets. He is the former CEO and co-founder of PeopleDocs, the Paris-based startup acquired by Ultimate in 2018. John Butler served as Chief Financial Officer for Ultimate Software and Kronos Incorporated, overseeing global financial planning, accounting, reporting, analysis, product and service pricing, business analytics, tax and treasury, and financial administrative operation. Joanne Ducknan served as Ultimate Software Chief Service Officer. She joined Ultimate in 2004 and previously served as Senior Vice President of Customer Success, spearheading numerous industry leading service innovations. Bill Hicks is Chief Relationship Officer for Ultimate Software, responsible for managing Ultimate ongoing relationship with thousands of customers. Previously, Bill served as Ultimate Chief Information Officer, overseeing the company award-winning IT team. Jody Kaminsky served as Chief Marketing Officer for Ultimate Software since April 2010. Prior to her roles as CMO, she served in various marketing management roles from 1999 through 2010, including PV of Marketing, PV of Marketing Operations, and Director of Strategic Marketing. John Machado served as Ultimate Software Chief Technology Officer, having been a leader and technologist for more than 2 decades. Prior to CTO, John served as Ultimate Senior Vice President of Development, overseeing the company product and development product delivery. Chris Prunisi currently serves as Chief Sales Officer for Ultimate Mid-Market Division and has held that position since 2009. Previously, Chris held various positions in Ultimate Sales Organization, beginning in 2000 as Strategic Account Management. Greg Swick. Since joining Ultimate Software in 1994, Greg Swick has served in several management capacities for the sales organization. Since 2000, he has led the enterprise sales team, serving as Ultimate Global Chief Sales Officer. Bridgeworth served as Chief Delivery Officer for Ultimate Software, providing direction on program design to innovate operations and enhance the customer experience. Lord Richmond served as Chief Transformation Officer at Ultimate Software. Lord has more than 20 years of experience as a strategic leader and joined Ultimate in 2016. Most recently served as the Senior Vice President of Operations Strategy. Michael Wright served as Ultimate Software Chief Security Officer. Michael joined Ultimate in 2008 as one of the company's first ethical hackers and has since built out and led the company's global security organization. Corporate Social Responsibility. Ultimate Giving in 2019 by the numbers. Philanthropy support 9.3 million. Employees' contributions through Ultimate Giving 9.37 million. Ultimate service hours total combined were 9.3 million. Ultimate employees team up to make a difference. Throughout the year, Ultimate matches dollar for dollar the total amount of the donation made by our people to a number of charitable causes, including providing aid to victims of natural disasters, unforeseen tragedies, and personal crises, supporting people in need during COVID-19. Ultimate culture of giving and our leaders' commitment to care has inspired employees from all levels to put people first in innovative ways. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, the Ultimate employees sprang into action to help frontline healthcare workers. They used sewing machines and event 3D printers to create hundreds of masks and face shields to donate to the fallen employees and frontline workers.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We are pleased to talk to you about PTT Public Company Limited. I will start with information about history. Petroleum Authority of Thailand was established on December 29, 1978, which coincided with the global oil shortage. Therefore started operation by supplying sufficient oil to meet domestic demand urgently. The heavy burden has encouraged PTT to seek additional petroleum from domestic sources. As a result, Thailand can be self-reliant on energy to a certain extent. A lot of reduction in foreign currency losses.
This slide we will talk about the company profile of PTT Group. The revenue of PTT is 483,567 million baht, a decrease of 67,307 million baht. The profit in Q1/2020 is decreasing 32,385 million baht. The asset in 2020 is 2,499,655.55 million baht. The capital in 2020 is 470,239.90 million baht. Thailand Finance Ministry has owned 51.1%. There are 4,616 employees in PTT Group and 24,680 subsidiaries. Let's move to the subsidiaries. PTT has 7 types of subsidiaries are the PTT Exploration and Production, PTT Global Chemical Company Limited, Thai Oil, IRPC, Cove Energy PLC, Global Power Synergy, and PTT Philippines Corporation.
Let's get to know PTT's key executives. First, Mr. Thittayapohn Maobut, the position of President and Chief Executive Officer. Mr. Artikon Suntornsri, position Chief Operating Officer, Upstream Petroleum and Gas Business Group. Mr. Surawadee, position Chief Technology and Engineering Officer. Mr. Yingyong, position Chief Operating Officer, Downstream Petroleum Business Group. And the last one, Ms. Pannalin Wongtikun, Chief Financial Officer.
More than creating results and profits, must consider the interests of the people and the country is important. Encourage people to know and maintain natural resources in a balanced way. Because we believe when we have sustainable energy security, we'll be able to create economic prosperity for continued and sustainable growth as well. Next, let's move on to mission. To conduct integrated energy and petrochemical business as the nation energy company, whose mission is to equally respond to all stakeholders. 1. To the country, ensuring long-term energy security by providing adequate high-quality energy supply at fair prices to support economic growth. 2. To community and society, maintaining a good standing corporate status in Thai society by exercising environment and helping to improve the quality of life for the community and society. 3. To shareholders, operating profitable business that leads to sustainable growth while generating optimum returns. 4. To customers, ensuring customer satisfaction and loyalty by delivering world-class quality products and service at fair prices. 5. To business partners, conducting fair business practice with our partners while promoting trust, relationship, and increased efficiency in long-term business partnership. 6. To employees, promoting capability building professionally and ensuring that employees' well-being. Next to values, the keyword is spirit plus D. It is an essential element for the formation of a strong corporate culture. S. Synergy, create great energy together. P. Performance excellent, together strive for excellence. I. Innovation, co-create innovation. R. Responsibility for society, share social responsibility. I. Integrity and ethics, join the create good power. T. Trust and respect, build trust in people. And last one, D. Digitalization, build modernity by being digital.
Next, I would like to talk about the strategies of PTTGC. PTTGC, or PTT Global Chemical Strategy, to be a leading chemical company for better living. According to our corporate direction and strategies, PTTGC has focused on maintaining our competitiveness and sustainable growth. Meanwhile, we have made various preparations to support future growth. PTTGC has employed this strategic plan as a framework for our operations. We have also regularly monitored its progress to ensure the achievement of short and long-term goals as follows. The first strategy is sustain core to sustain the competitiveness of our production basis amidst the many challenges and ever-changing conditions. The second strategy is accelerate growth levers. PTTGC always seeks investment opportunities and operates our existing and new business both at home and abroad. We always aim for growth and good returns on investment through investing with business partners and enhancing or of our competencies. And the third strategy is balance business with sustainability. PTTGC is committed to becoming a model organization of sustainable growth through the balance of the economy, society, and the environment. We shall create value added to our organization. As a company committed to being trustworthy and transparent, PTT Global Chemical openly shares the policies that ensure we act in a responsible and sustainable manner. Below are policies that PTTGC use to reinforce our drive to be a long-term sustainable business. Procurement policy. PTT Global Chemical Public Company Limited. PTTGC intends to be a leading chemical company for better living. Procurement process and supplier relationship management are one important part for sustainable supply chain management to achieve corporate vision and work efficiently. Procurement policy is announced with the following principles. PTTGC policies. Human rights policy. PTT Global Chemical Group identifies and manages human rights issues, especially topics related to employees, joint ventures, business partners, and local communities where we have operation. 1. PTTGC Group employees and joint ventures. PTTGC Group employees' rights and their working conditions as well as joint venture comply with labor standards not only internationally but also the provision of national laws where PTTGC Group and our joint ventures operate. 2. Business partners. Business partners refer to suppliers, contractors, and customers, including other organizations that are established contractual relationship with PTTGC Group operations. PTTGC Group expects suppliers and contractors to respect on human rights and operate their business in compliance with Supplier Code of Conduct. 3. Local communities. PTTGC Group commits to being good neighbor and trustworthy partner with local communities. We support communities' rights in restoring and maintaining traditions and local wisdom through implementation of communities development projects and improvement of living quality of local communities. This includes the provisions of channels for local communities to give feedbacks regarding our operation. Product Stewardship Policy. PTT Global Chemical Public Company Limited commits to be a leading chemical company for better living. PTTGC elevates its corporate responsibilities and citizenship values by implementing best practice product stewardship program that adheres to the precautionary principle and advocates for sustainable chemical industry. To that end, PTTGC embraces product stewardship as an integral part of its activities to continuously improve the environment, health, and safety performance of its products. Health and safety training and information sessions. According to the QSHE management policy, PTTGC encourages the awareness of quality, safety, health, and the environment by organizing a variety of internal and external training courses. They are listed as follows. 1. A full-day staff orientation course was held for new employees of the company to learn about HSE management and basic safety training. 2. To increase awareness for energy and environmental conservation, training has been organized for production, engineering, and technical department heads. 3. In regards to energy conservation laws, training has been held for relevant managers and other staff members. 4. Environmental training has been provided related to industrial waste, water, and air. PTTGC continuously provides training for its employees in the areas of safety, health, and the environment. Information is collected for each training sessions held for staff members.
Next, I would like to talk about the main businesses of PTT, starting from the topic of PTT business. First, natural gas business currently operates a full range of natural gas businesses, cover from natural gas supply, natural gas transportation, natural gas separation, and distribution of natural gas, including expansion of investments in businesses related to natural gas both at home and abroad, with a mission to create energy security for the country, including natural gas for vehicles such as PPT NGV, natural gas pipeline system, natural gas procurement and distribution, natural gas separation plant. Second, international trade business to operate a comprehensive international trading business to create energy security for Thailand, along with expanding trade basins all regions around the world, covering the procurement, import, export, and international trade of products, including crude oil, condensate, liquefied petroleum gas, finished oil products, petrochemical products, solvents, chemicals, crude palm oil, refined palm oil, palm shell, and other products. Last, technology and engineering business. To carry out engineering work, real estate digital technology support PPT business operations, including business development, new business S-curve, such as innovation and digital division, engineering and project management, Wangjan Valley Area Development Project for the Eastern Economic Corridor Innovation Zone, or EECI. Next, I would like to talk about the main products and services of PTT. First, products of PTT, including, firstly, natural gas for vehicles, including NGV and LPG, and natural gas separation plant. The government wants natural gas development in the Gulf of Thailand and continue as industry from natural gas, especially the petrochemical industry, to create added value for natural gas. Products include ethane, propane, liquefied petroleum gas or LPG, and natural gasoline or NGL. In 2014, PTT has a total of 6 gases separation plants. Next, services of PTT, including, firstly, natural gas service for vehicles is PTT stationed. Secondly, PTT turn-up and check-up is to encourage car users to take care of their cars regularly and ready to send a team of PTT technicians to provide service for running the gas system and check NGV equipment for free at NGV service stations nationwide. Thirdly, natural gas pipeline system. This is a process to control the quality of natural gas from various sources in the Gulf of Thailand to have the constant heat value and have the same quality in the whole system. All natural gas pipelines are laid in PTT under strict safety standards, protect environment, focus on welfare, and the property of the people is important. Firstly, PTT electronic bill presentment and payment, or PTT EBPP. It is a system to show documents for the gas bill and payment for customers, including invoices, gas calculations, and gas price calculations. And lastly is PTT e-tax web.
First, I want to talk about the company Samsung. The company's offerings include home appliances, such as TVs, monitors, refrigerators, and washing machines, as well as key mobile telecommunications products like smartphones and tablets. Samsung also continues to be a trusted provider of key electronic components, like RAM and non-memory semiconductors.
Samsung was founded by Lee Byung-chul in 1938
In the first phase of the business that was focused on exporting goods, food processing, textiles acquired in electronic industry at the end of 1960.
Vision 2020, the underlying principle that define our vision for the future of Samsung Electronics, says, inspire the world, create the future. Goals are two goals. 1. Quantitative goals. 400 billion United States dollar in sales. Predominantly number one in the global IT industry and global top 5. 2. Qualitative goals. Innovative company, respected company, top 10 world's best workplace, creative leader building in markets, global inspire to attract the world's best talents.
Mission: to inspire the world with innovative technologies, products and designs that enrich people's life and contribute to a socially responsible, sustainable future. Get to know the CEO. There are 3 people. The first one is Kim Hee-nam. He is Vice Chairman and CEO since 2010 to present. Second, Kim Hyun-sok. He is President and CEO since 2009 to present. Finally, Go Dong-jin. He is President and CEO since 2007 to present.
History of Samsung since 1969 to 1979. Diversifying in electronics. In this early stage, the goal came from the growing home appliance business, and the company started to export its products for the first time. History of Samsung since 1990 to 1993. Competing in changing tech world. The early 1990s, business began to flow across borders between country and company.
History of Samsung since 1980 to 1989, entering the global marketplace. Samsung Electronics core technology businesses diversified and expanded globally during the late 1970s and early 1980s. In 1987, Electronics challenged itself to restructure old businesses and enter new ones with the aim of becoming one of the world's top 5 electronics companies. History of Samsung since 1994 to 1996, becoming a global force. Its business through a dedication to making world-class products, started fashion, and being a good corporate citizen, all under the vision of quality first. The length of the top 5 products for global market top market ranking in their areas. To that end, its then chairman, Kun Hee Lee, was selected as a member of the International Olympic Committee, greatly enhancing the company image as a key contributor to world athletics.
History of Samsung since 1997 to 1999. Advancing the digital frontier. Despite the 1997 financial crisis that affected nearly all Korean businesses, Samsung Electronics was one of the few companies that continued growing. thanks to its leadership in digital and network technology and its steady concentration on electronics, finances, and related services.
History of Samsung since 2000 to 2004 pioneered the digital. The digital age has brought revolutionary change and opportunity to global business and Samsung. Electronics has responded with advanced technologies, competitive products, and constant innovation.
History of Samsung since 2005 to present. Fortune Global top company, Samsung. With the success of its electronics business, Samsung has been recognized globally as an industry leader in technology and now ranked as a top 10 global brand.
Logo Samsung have 5 logos in each year. First year is 2481 to 2501. Second year is 2512 to 2522. Third year is 2523 to 2535. Fourth year is 2523 to 2535, and last year is 2535 to present.
Strategic direction have 3 ways. 1. Great people. 2. Creativity. And 3. Partnership.
Samsung Electronics have 2 main product sets: mobile telecommunications and home appliance. Mobile telecommunications have smartphones, smartwatch, and tablet. In part of home appliance have TV, monitors, refrigerators, and air conditioning.
Business areas have 2 main topics. The first, infotainment. Infotainment have information, telecommunication, and AV and TV. The second, life car. Life car have healthcare, biotech, environment, energy, and convenience and comfort.
Business group of Samsung have 4 groups. First group is Samsung Group. Second group is Shiseido Group. Third group is CJ Group. And the last group is Hanson Group.
That brings the presentation to the end. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.